Previous year question and answer solution of stream Electronic Engineering, Semester 5, subject Electric Machines. 2 MCQs. 1. A single-phase induction motor is not self-starting because A. It has high rotor resistance. B. It produces pulsating instead of rotating magnetic field. C. Its rotor is short-circuited. D. It has no commutator. Answer B. 2. The principle used to explain operation of single-phase induction motor is A. Faraday's law. B. Double revolving field theory. C. Single field theory. D. Fleming's rule. Answer B. 3. In single-phase induction motor, the forward and backward fields rotate at A. 1500 revolutions per minute and 1000 revolutions per minute. B. Same speed, opposite direction. C. Different speeds. D. Synchronously but 90 degrees apart. Answer B. 4. The torque at standstill in a single-phase induction motor is A. Maximum. B. 0. C. Half of rated. D. Double. Answer B. 5. Which motor uses a centrifugal switch? A. Capacitor start motor. B. Shaded pole motor. C. Repulsion motor. D. Universal motor. Answer A. 6. In capacitance start single-phase motors, the capacitor is connected A. In main winding. B. In auxiliary winding. C. In rotor circuit. D. Across supply lines. Answer B. 7. In a capacitor start motor, the auxiliary winding is A. Thicker and fewer turns. B. Thinner and more turns. C. Same as main winding. D. Absent. Answer B. 8. The motor with highest starting torque is A. Capacitor start motor. B. Split phase motor. C. Shaded pole motor. D. Permanent split capacitor motor. Answer A. 9. A permanent split capacitor PSC motor has A. 2 capacitors and switch. B. Only one capacitor permanently in circuit. C. No capacitor. D. Capacitor only during starting. Answer B. 10. Which motor is commonly used in table fans? A. Capacitor start. B. Shaded pole. C. Universal. D. Split phase. Answer B. 11. In shaded pole motor, shading coil produces A. Back EMF. B. Rotating field. C. Phase shift. D. Both C and B. Answer D. 12. The equivalent circuit of single-phase induction motor is based on A. Two-phase theory. B. Double revolving field theory. C. Three-phase model. D. Single-phase transformer. Answer B. 13. During running condition, the backward field A. Reduces. B. Equals forward field. C. Increases. D. does not affect motor? Answer A. 14. In split-phase motor, the phase difference between windings is A. 0 degrees, B. 30 degrees, C. 90 degrees, D. 180 degrees. Answer B. 15. PSC motors are widely used in A. Toys, B. Refrigerators, C. Power tools, D. Cranes. Answer B. 16. Shaded pole motor has A. High efficiency, B. Low starting torque, C. High power factor, D. High cost. Answer B. 17. Capacitor start, capacitor run motors use A. No switch, B. Two capacitors and a switch, C. Only run capacitor, D. Centrifugal clutch. Answer B. 18. In equivalent circuit, rotor resistances for forward and backward fields appear as A. R2S minus S over S and R2S over 2 minus S, B. R2 over S and R2 over 2 minus S, C. RS and RR, D. Same. Answer A. 19. Single-phase induction motor speed is A. Less than synchronous speed, B. Equal to synchronous speed, C. More than synchronous speed, D. Always 0. Answer A. 20. The frequency of rotor current in running condition is A. Supply frequency, B. Slip times supply frequency, C. 0, D. Double supply frequency. Answer B.